itself act as file name. That is called a module name. So last class I told you, even it is uploaded in the classroom also, calculations.py. Let me open that code once. Let me open that code once, calculations.py. Some code is written in the last class, if you remember me. If you remember me. So calculations.py, simple interest is a function is there inside of it. In this file name, there is a function. It is treated as a module name. Right. Next, ICICI.py treated as a module name, which contains variables. House number is a variable, city is a variable, country is a variable. All these things are global variables. Treated as a modules. Treated as a modules. Excellent. Then after that, how do you create a module? We understand in the last class. Today, we are going to learn a new concept called what? Reusing a module. And we are going to discuss very good examples in the class. Try to be careful in the class and be perfect. I will go for one case study also in today's class. Be careful, but try to understand. Let me go for quickly. So once you design the module, we need to go for reusing or not. So calculations.py is called one module. Under that one function is there. I want to reuse. Last class we said software engineer 1, sc1.py. We said what? Import calculation. What is this calculation? What is calculation, everybody? Come on, mom. Everybody tell me. It is called module name. Who is saying file name? Huh? Who is saying that file name, ma? What I told you here? Are you reading notes or not? Here, file name itself acts as what? Module name. Are you reading notes or not? If it is the case, you will be going out. You will be going back. It's up to you. It is called what? Module name. And how you are calling? Module name dot cal simple interest of the value you are passing. Next, ICICI is called file name here. It is treated as a module. If I want to use it in some other program, SC3 you take it, SC3. Import ICICI, importing the module and accessing that house number. It is a variable name. How I am accessing? With respect to the module name. Once you import, after importing only, we can access it. Without importing, we cannot access. First, you have to import. Then we have to access the module's information. Module name dot data member, module name dot variable name, module name dot variable name, module name dot function name. This is a way. First one is called what? Import. Two ways are there to reuse that. That is nothing but I'm going to tell you the reusing a module. So reusing a module is nothing but accessing variables, functions and classes of one program into another program. To reuse the modules, we have two approaches. They are, first one is by using import. Second one is by using what? From import. From import. Now I am talking about the by using import, we are talking about it. So up to here, are you perfect, ma'am? Up to here, are you perfect? Can you confirm once again? Right. Now, do you know the package structure? Do you know the module structure? What is the folder created by default? What is the folder created by default? May I know that? Underscore PyCache. Underscore PyCache is the folder name. I already told in the last class only. This folder automatically created. All your module names are available as a file names with an extension C Python 39 with extension .pyc. This is not created by us, created by the Python environment only, because it is also one of the most important interview-based question. Most important interview-based question this is. Most important interview-based question it is. You should remember this type of discussion. Don't forget about this kind of discussions in the class. So let us start with this is the package structure already. Module structure I already explained. Let's go for without let by using import. Sir, what is this import statement, sir? First of all, listen. Import is a keyword. Import here, carefully listen, ma. Import, actually it is a very easy to understand. Import is a keyword. Import is a keyword. One by one I will take, listen carefully. When we use this approach for reusing the variables, when we use, which approach I am using? Import approach we are using. Import approach we are using. Import approach we are using. When we use, I'm saying that when we use this approach, I'm writing, when we use this approach, when we use this approach for reusing, look at reusing the variables, when we use this approach, yes ma, when we use this approach for reusing the variables, variables, comma, what? Functions, and classes, and what? Classes. And so far, we are not, when we, okay, when we use this approach for reusing the variables, functions, and classes we did not discuss so far. Don't worry about these classes. I will take care. And it is very easy for you. This is a, once you understand these two, other things are dead easy, not an issue at all. Right? First, classes. When we use this approach, the variables, functions, and classes must be accessed. Which approach when I am using? When I am using import approach. See, when I am using import approach here, when I am using import approach, import calculation, when we use this import statement approach, that classes, variables, and functions must be accessed with respect to module name. This is the point I want to tell you. This is a point I am interested to tell you. When we use this approach, or when we use this, why to give you clarity, why to give you confusion for you? Because we are there in somewhere else, we are not in the subject context. That's why when we use import approach for using variables, functions, and classes, then the variables, functions, and classes, must be accessed. Then the variables, functions, and classes must be accessed with respect to module name. With respect to what name? Module name. Otherwise we get a error. We get what? Error. When we use import approach, for using the variables and functions and classes of the module, then though the variables, functions, and classes must be accessed with respect to module name, otherwise we get an error. Okay, so sir, what is the syntax for import? We are having almost many syntaxes are there. Many syntaxes are there. What is that? Syntax one for importing a module. Syntax one for importing a module. Sir, what is that syntax, sir? Very simple, ma. Look at that. First syntax. Import module name. Import module name. That is already we have seen that. Import module name. Import what name? Module name. Because you see SE1.py, import this module name. See calculations. One module name is imported. And how we are calculating that? Module name dot its a function name. Module name dot its variable name. We will use it. That is the first one. Second syntax, let me go for it. What is that? When I am having multiple modules are there. When we are having multiple modules are there. This is importing a module. Syntax 2 for importing modules. For importing multiple modules. Importing what modules? Multiple modules I want to go for it. Multiple modules I want to go for it. Sir, how do you go for it, sir? Very simple, sir. Look at that. So import module name 1, comma module name 2, so on. Module name n. This is called syntax number 2. Syntax number 2. Are you okay, students? Are you following me? Yes, everybody. Are you following? Yes. We can import more than one module, no problem. This is what I'm saying the syntaxes. Syntax 1 for importing a module, syntax 2 for importing more than one module, then how to do that. Next, we are going to see all these things. From now onwards, we are using lot of modules. Next, syntax number 3. Syntax number 3, I'm going for syntax number 3, I'm taking. Let's watch this syntax number 3. See, here, syntax number 3. What is the syntax number 3? Importing a module with alias name, with alias name, with alias name. Suppose you are having you are having a name. You are having a very big name, very big name, a very big name. Very big name is there. Shivakumar. Your name is Shivakumar. A big name is there. So the house people of the family members of Shivakumar, how they will call? How they will call? Simply they will call some simple name they will call. Yeah. Subham Mohanty is a name, complete name. They will call it as just Subham, like that. Or Mohanty, they will call. Something like that. Something, yeah. Your nickname. Alias name is nothing but nickname. Omkar, Omi, okay, OMI. Like that. Module name. Yeah, you are having extra knowledge means you are super students. Shuhovan, Shuhovan, something like Shushovan, Shushovan, okay, Shushovan. So like that, they will call it as some Susho, like that van, like that. Susu, okay. Very good. Very nice students, ma. You are very nice students. Hmm? Once if I go out of the subject, na, you are only the perfect student to make very good comedy. Okay, very nice. So when you are making me to laugh means, yes, ma, Sonali, very good. So when you are making me to laugh means you are very funny students. Okay. Generally, I will smile it. When I am laughing means you are making me good jokes. Very good. So module name. Come to the subject. Come to the subject. Omkar, you want to see me? Okay. Okay, I will give my mobile number. In that WhatsApp, I am there now. You can see that. What is there? You can see me. You can see me in that. What is there? You can see. Okay. Right. Okay. So very nice, ma. Okay. So I'll give you, don't worry. Let us start the subject. Okay. Okay, ma. Right. Look, I will give my mobile number. Don't worry. First, you concentrate on import module name. Come on, ma. Serious. Now serious. Everybody. Atulya. Good, ma. Come on. Import module name. Yes. Alias name. See that word called as. As is called keyword. Import is a keyword. Module name as alias name. Alias name. You are giving alias name. Alias name you are giving. That is nothing but a nickname you are giving. Nickname we are giving. Right. Sir, show me one example, sir. Go to, sir, immediately go, sir. Yeah, SC1.py, ma. SC1.py. Import calculations. See, guys, all of you. Import calculations. See, you are calling what? Calculations dot. Such a bigger name you are calling. Who will call calculations? Who will type it? I don't have the patience. First of all, let us see this. Let us see this example once. Let us execute. Go to the command prompt, guys. Once you go to that cd, say something like KVR Python 9 AM. Yeah, functions functions are modules. Okay, modules. Yes, ma. Execute. Py sc1.py. So I got the result. I got the result. Super. You want to call again? Again, if I want to call, again I need to write calculations dot. I will say 5,000. I will say 5,000. I will say something like 3. I will say something like 8. See, I am writing calculations. Every time I am writing calculation dot. Is it not waste of time? 2 times I am calling, 2 times I am getting the result. So do you feel that is it a waste of time or not? Do you feel that is it a waste of time or not? Yes, sir. That's why. So I will call I will call. Come on. As what? C. As a C. As a C. Simple. C. One letter only I wrote. How do you call now? How do you call now? Once you rename it na, once you rename it na, you cannot call calculations. Calculations is disabled in your program called SC1. It is disabled. It is disabled. Suppose if you call again as it is, na, you will get error. See once you get error. See, calculations is not defined. It is not there because you renamed as what? See. Now you call. Now you call. How I am calling, ma? See, a beautiful, beautiful explanation. Yeah, C dot. C dot. Perfect. Now you execute. You got the result. Are you getting my point, ma? Are you perfect? Yes, sir. Super. Done. So this is called alias name. Alias name. I hope this is clear for you. Syntax 3. For importing a module with what name? Importing a module name with what name? Alias name. Yes, ma. Govinda, it is not there, ma. Java does not contain this alias names. Alias names is not there. Java does not contain. Right. Now coming to the syntax number 4. Syntax number 4. Syntax number 4. Follow me. Follow me. Yes, ma. Shubham Mohanty. It is applicable for predefined modules also. It is applicable for all the things. All the things. No problem at all. No problem at all. Alias name, no, ma. Alias name is nothing but it is our own name. It is our own name. As is called a keyword. Alias name is not a, this is called a nickname. I can write nickname because in the notes I cannot write nickname, na. That's why I will write alias name. Don't get this type of small doubts, ma. These are a very child doubt. Child doubt it is. Child doubt. So alias name is nothing but nickname. You have to write some name here. As is a keyword. As is a keyword. Okay, now, right. Shall I move forward? Shall I move forward? Come on. Now, permit me. Syntax 2. What is the syntax 2? Multiple modules. You are taking multiple modules. Syntax 3, 4. Syntax 4. See how many I am telling to you? 4. Importing multiple modules with what? Alias names. Alias names. Alias names. With what? Alias names. Come on to the point back. Import module name 1. Yes. Alias name. Alias name 1. Alias name 1. Alias name 1. Module name 2. Yes. Alias name 2. Alias name 2. So on module name 1 as alias name n. Alias name n. Yes. I hope you are following me. Alias name n. Are you okay? Are you okay? Are you okay? Right. Perfect. So we are giving the alias name of alias name 1, module 2 as alias name 2, module name as alias name 3. So we are going on giving alias name n, alias name n, we are giving it. So all these things are one after the other. One day or the other, we will use all these things. Now we are going for this kind of thing. What is that here? What is this here? As a C. As a C, I can give caviar. I can give caviar. What is there? It is up to me. It is up to me. Now I need to write caviar dot. If I use a C, you'll get error. Name C is not defined. Name C is not defined. Right. Ayyo. Mr. Gaurav, why ma? Why such a small childish doubts, ma? Please, because the way which you are asking these things, na, sir, you wrote alias name instead of alias name 1. Okay, you are asking about that. See where it is alias name. Where it is, ma? Alias name. Okay. 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 This part. Okay. Okay. Good. Okay. Now, Gaurav, are you okay? Satisfied? Satisfied, alias? What is that? Gaurav J. Right. Okay. No problem. So even if I type some spelling mistake, na, you try to take care and try to do that. Because I'm not a typist here. I'm just writing the program very well. So during my searching of the keys, some letter this side or that side may be coming. Try to take care. Now let us go to that. Let us go to the example part. Examples we are going to see in the class. Fine. After importing the module, now I'm writing next part. Next part. After importing the module, after importing the module in the current program, in the current Python program, in the current Python program, in the current program, with what approach? With the import approach. With what approach? Import approach. We must access the variables and functions and classes as follows. Classes as follows. As follows. How to access? How to access? Module name dot. What is that? Variable name. Variable name. Variable name. Are you following me? Module name dot variable name. Module name dot variable name. Next is what? Module name dot function name. Module name dot function name. I will write function name. Function name. And don't write like this. Function name like this. No. Samrin, not like that. Only name of the function. Samrin, only function name. Next, module name dot what name? Class name. So right now, don't worry about the class name. Don't worry about the class name. This is the compulsory thing. This is a compulsory thing. Right. Is it okay? Is it okay? In our regular examples, we are going to see everything. In everything, SE1 module name as KVR dot. I can write with alias name KVR dot. Here I will write KVR dot. Now see that SE1, I got the result. I got the result. Whatever the alias name you will give, you can call with respect to that only. And compulsory that alias name must be required. Right. Suppose, sir, for example, I am calling this function again and again so many number of times. So many number of times, for example, like this. What is that? 15,000, 25,000, and some 55,000, something like only 2,000. See, every time I'm writing KVR, KVR. Is it not waste of time? Or suppose if it is only C, I want to write, I'm writing C dot. Is it not waste of time of writing the C dot all the times? Yes, ma? Do you feel that is it a waste of time or not? Are you following me? Yes. So just execute once, see the result. See, I got the result many times. See, I got the result. First result for 2,000, 15,000, 25,000, 55,000, and then 2,000, I got the result. So C dot, it is a waste of time. That's why I want to call the function name directly without writing the module name or alias name. Without writing the module name or alias name. How can I do it, sir? Just go for next program, sir. SE4. See how I'm going to do it. I don't want to write C dot. I want to call directly, sir. I want to call directly without preceded by module name or alias name. For that second approach, we need to go for it. What is the second approach? Please look into that. What is the second approach here? From import. What is the speciality of this? What is the speciality of it? Now I am going to write it. From which module? Calculations module. Right. So calculations module, from calculation, import what? Import what function? Whatever the function you want. I will give you detailed explanation. There also multiple syntaxes are there. Cal simple int. Carefully follow. Once from this module, we are importing this function. Suppose if we have 2 to 3 functions, I have one more function. Like that, I have what? Many functions are there. Right? Many functions are there. Yasma, Billa, Lakshmi, You are having some, I think it is opened only. It is opened only. Please look into that. So please follow the notes, ma. Please follow the notes. So here we have a function name 1, function name 2, function name 3. Many functions are there. So many functions are there. Out of many functions, I want only one function name. Only one function name. Carefully follow, ma. Right. So many functions are there. That time, if you want only one function, I will say import that function name only. Suppose you want all the function names, all the function names, all the variable names, I will use import star. Import star. Star says what? Import star says what? All the variables, all the functions, all the classes of which module? Of which module? Calculations module. But the star approach is not recommended in the software industry. The star approach is not recommended in the star industry. Why? Because if calculations module contains, for example, if a calculation module contains what? 100 variables, 100 functions, 100 functions, 100 classes, 100 classes. If you say dot star, is it not unnecessarily loading all of them in the main memory? Is it not taking more space? Is it not taking more time? That's why whenever you are going for importing the module, you try to import what you want. That's it. When you go to the shop, we are buying what you want. That's it. We are not buying from shop import dot star. No, we are not buying everything. We are taking only required thing. Suppose in this case, I want a simple calculate simple interest. You take only that function. Only that function only you can access. It's a very powerful concept. So I don't want these 100 variables. I don't want 100 classes. I don't want 100 functions. I want only one function called calculate simple interest. Are you following my point? Are you following my point? Yes. Done. And a star approach is not at all recommended in the software industry. I'm telling to you, but a star approach is not recommended. Let's remove execute. It is called SE4, software engineer 4 is using this type of approach. See, once you say this from import, I am not writing any kind of module name. I am not writing module name. Directly I am calling the function execute. Go to your place of module SE4, execute this code. SE4. So I got the same result. The main difference between the syntax number 1 and syntax number 2 is in syntax number 1, you must call with respect to module name, either module name or alias name. In syntax number 2, we are calling directly. Are you able to follow? Yes. One more point I want to say, even you can say star also, but according to my advice, don't use star. Right? Let us watch it. Let us watch the example again. Execute. It will happily run the example, but not recommended. Okay, sir. Let us go to the calculations. Look at that. Simple interest. This is my simple function. Okay. See, calculate simple interest is a bigger name. Calculate simple interest is a bigger name. Yes. Alias name. SI. As SI. That means I am going to alias the function name also. Yes, SI. Variable name also you can go for it. Variable name also we can go for aliasing the name. Function name also we can alias. Class name also we can alias. That time how I will write it? Please tell me. SI. How I will write it? SI. Here I will write SI. Here I will write SI. Here I will write SI. Right. Sixth one I am not giving you. I am just trying to test it. I'm testing it whether it will work or not. Look at that. SE4 execute. You got an error. What is that? Cal simple interest is not defined. See how beautiful example it is. This is called SI. Right. Now execute. Beautiful output will come. Beautiful output will come. Super example. Tell me, from import, how many syntaxes are there? From import, how many syntaxes are there? Number one, as usual, I will take as usual, I will take it. From import, from import, what is that? Number one, I will write those points one by one, I will write those points one by one. Try to catch me these points. Let's go to this approach. This approach. See, once again, I am telling to you. Once again, I am telling to you, by using import. Import is a keyword. Import I am talking about. All of you listen. When we use this import approach for reusing the variables and all those things, then the variable names, function names, class names must be accessed with respect to module name. Otherwise, we get what? Error. Here, can we use module name or without module name? Can we use with module name, without module name? Without module name. Here with module name. From import, without module name. That is what I am going for second syntax. That is what I am going for second syntax. Let me take this part. Let me go to this part now. Which one? I am going to enter into the discussion like this. Which one? Second point I am going to discuss. B point I am going to say. By using, what is that? From ... import start by using from ... import. Here from and import are the keywords, when we use what? From import approach, when we use from ... import approach for reusing the variable names, function names, classes of the module, then the variables, functions, classes must be accessed, can be accessed, I can write, can be accessed without module name. Yes, without, this is a very, very important. Without what name? Module name. Are you getting students? And don't ask me, sir, I want to call with respect to module name. You go for the first approach. With this approach, you call without module name. Are you okay? Perfect, huh? Yes. Now I am going for syntaxes. Syntax number one. I am going to talk about it. Syntax number one. What is that? Syntax number one. Let's start with the syntax number one. What is that? From. From. What is this? From module name. From module name, import. Import. From this module name, import what? Variables. You want to use variables? You take it, comma. Function names, comma. Class names. Perfect. You want to use module name? Yeah, write variable names, function names, and class names. We will give you the example. Don't worry. I'll give the example also. Let's move forward. Let us move forward. Next, syntax number two. Yes, please. Syntax number two. Syntax number two is called what? Here, very, very easy. From module name, import variables. Yes, alias name. Yes. Comma, function names. Yes, alias name. Function name. Yes, alias name. Alias name is nothing but nickname. Class name. Yes, alias name. As what name? Alias name. Are you okay, students? Are you okay with this syntax? Syntax number two. Perfect. Alias name. This is called syntax number two. One more syntax I want to mention. Yes, ma. Lakshmi. Billa Lakshmi. Are you able to follow, ma? Are you able to follow? Are you comfortable? Right. Lakshmi. Right, ma. Syntax number 3. Yeah, you know that. Syntax number 3. Module name. Import what? Import what? I'm waiting for your answer. Import what? From module name. I have variables are there, etc. That is called star. That is called star. Recommended or not recommended? Not recommended. Not recommended. Not recommended syntax. Why? Unnecessary variable names, unnecessary function names, unnecessary class names will come, which is not necessary. Not recommended approach. Dear students, be careful, ma. All of them must be very, very perfect in this area. Super. Super. Let's move forward. Let's move forward by using import approach. Last and final. After importing, after importing, here I am writing, after importing the module in the current Python program, with from import, from import approach, we can access the variable names and function names and class names without module name, without module name, without using module name, without module, as follows. How to access? Directly variable name you access, directly variable name you access, directly this one access. Super. Variable name, function name, class name. Sir, how do you use it, sir? Show me one example, sir. SE3 you take it, ma. Import SE3.py, SE3.py, import ICICI, ICICI.hno, ICICI.city, ICICI.country, sir. Country, sir. Now you just SE3.py. This is SE3.py. Dear student, yes, py, SE3.py. I got the answer. Address of ICICI banking, house number, and then city, and then country. Yes, let's go to that. Now I will say, what is that? From ICICI, import what? HNO, comma, city, comma, country. That time you remove. Yes, super. That time you remove this dot, all these things. Directly you call, no problem. Say backslash n, one backslash n I am giving. So in order to not to mix with this, let's execute. Now see guys, address of ICICI banking, I am getting these details. Are you following, guys? Are you following what I am talking, ma? Yes. So you want alias name for country. Country is a bigger name. I want as CN. As a CN. For country only CN. I am taking CN. I am writing CN. Only alias name I am giving. Yes. Wonderful. See that? Country is India. Right. Here, I want a simple interest also. Simple interest also I want to calculate. This part I want to get it. Simple interest I want to get it. How do you take it? In SE3? Yeah, come on. From calculations, import what? Simple interest. As a CS, simply CS. So function name is a CS. Yes, print of, say something like this. Okay, no problem. Directly you say CS dot, CS of something like 15,500, 500, comma 4, comma 12, CS. I am calling. See, I am introducing functions as alias name. I am introducing variable names with alias names. Super. Come on to the point of it. I got the result. ICICI banking address, and then this part is coming. Dear students, are you okay? You can do wonders. You can do. If I go to the next example, you will say, sir, we are dancing, sir. In our home, we are dancing. Next example is that only. Let me go for it. Next example, if I say you will dance by leaving your system, right? Eagerly waiting for that. Eagerly waiting for that. Is the syntax is clear for all of you? Is this concept of module is clear? What is the purpose of modules? Now I will go for the example, case study example. What is the purpose of module? Come on, quickly. What is the purpose of module? To reuse the code, to reuse the variables, to reuse the functions, to reuse the classes across the programs. Across the programs. Reusability across the programs. Right. So this is going to be global reusability. Okay, right. Let us keep in one thing. Let me go to the next part. So we have seen various examples. Yeah, to reuse the variables across the programs, to reuse the functions across the programs, we prefer to go for this type of things. Perfect. Perfect. Can I go to the example? Can I go to the biggest example? Giving green signal? Giving green signal? Yes, sir. Green signal is given, sir. Fine. Let's move forward. Let me close all these things. Let me close all these things. Let's go for bigger example here. Super. Yes. Next, go to next. No, ma, Subhasri. No, we cannot. We cannot. We cannot. I already told you that time only. We cannot. We already said that time only. Okay. Fine. Let's move to the further. Now let us go to the case study here. Fine, ma? Fine. So we can use normal functions only, not lambda functions, which I told you there only. Where I said lambda functions is for what? Instant purpose, not for other kind of things. Let's move to the further. Let's move to the further. Right. Subhasri, are you getting ma? Are you getting my point? What I'm talking? Right. Let's move to the further discussion. So look at that, all of you. Now I'm taking one case study. One case study I'm taking. All of you, be perfect. I want to do something like this. I want to prepare one calculator. I want to prepare one calculator. Calculator means don't think that our calculator which is present in our system. It is a console based calculator. Right. So let us look at that. Now, what is this calculator says is here one for addition, two for two for subtraction, two for subtraction, three for multiplication, and four for division, and five for modulus, and sixth for exponent. Now this is called one menu. This is called one menu. Do you know menu? Have you heard about the menu card? Have you heard about the menu card, guys? Have you heard about menu card? Yes. Where you heard about menu card? You will say hotel, right? You will say hotel, right? Yes, I expected it. Fine. Now here, this is called my operation list. This is called my operation list. What operations they are? Arithmetic operations. Arithmetic operations, these are. Arithmetic operations, these are. One for addition, two for subtraction, three for multiplication, division, like that I am having. These are the operations I have. Now I am saying here, enter your choice. Enter your choice. See the beautiful example. Enter your choice. Enter your choice. What is your choice can be? Your choice can be either 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 or 5 or 6. If your choice is 1, I should ask you, enter 2 values for addition. If your choice is subtraction, enter 2 values for subtraction. Enter 3, enter 2 values for multiplication. First of all, are you understanding the case study importance? Are you understanding the case study importance? Right? Are you understanding? Right. Fine. Here, one choice can be performed at a time. One choice can be performed at a time. Dear student, try to understand. We are designing the program one choice at a time. If you want both the choice to be done, we can write one more program. Nothing is impossible with programming. Once we know coding well, we can do everything. Right? Shall we implement this? Shall we implement this operation? Everybody ready to listen this? Yes, ready to listen the class. Right. Coming to the point of it. Right. 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 Right, ma. Govinda. Govinda. Yes, ma. Thank you. Thank you. Let's start. Right. Yes, ma. Good. Let me start the scenario. Yeah. This type of menu card I want to design. Menu card I want to design. See how I will start the code. Carefully observe, ma. In one of the moment you can understand very clearly. You will start dancing it. You will start dancing it. Look at. Now I am writing one Python code. Python code. What is my Python code? Menu operation dot py. It is called treated as treated as module name. Why I am treating module name? I am writing separate programs. In the software industry, we never write everything in one piece of code. One person cannot write. Srushti can write some code. Rahul can write some code. Shivakumar can write some code. Atulya can write some code. Sonali can write the code. Omkar can write the code. Right? Next is called what? Rasmi can write the code. Rasekar can write the code. Like that, so many software engineers are there with me. All the people can write different code. Right? Different. Vikas can write the code. Right? So different people can write the code. So many people can write the code, and they will submit to me. They will submit to KVR sir, and KVR sir can integrate all of them. Yes, ma. Gopi Chand can write the code. All the people can write the code. Yes, dear students, all of them, all of you can write the code, because more than 200 plus students are there. I can't call all the student names, ma. Just I'm calling only some names, which I'm seeing on the screen. That's it. And don't feel that sir is not calling. So if I call 200 people's names one by one, it takes half an hour or 2 hours. So that's why I'm calling. Okay, let's write. What is our outline? What is our outline? Look at ma. Arithmetic operation. I want to take this type of code as it is. I will write it. Where I'm writing? In the function. My sir said that what? Functions can be reusable, variable names can be reusable, classes can be reusable. That's why def. What is that? Menu op. My function name is also menu op. My module name is also menu op. No problem, because intentionally I am taking. So you will get a doubt, sir, module name and then function name is same. No problem. No problem. We can take it. No issue at all. Okay, I am taking example now only. Now see, print of star 50, star 50. I'm designing my case. Now I'm saying that print of arithmetic operations. Arithmetic operations. I'm just designing very nice kind of example, ma. Try to enjoy this. Try to enjoy, and then from now onwards, you will get a very good feeling of, sir, designing the project is very simple, sir. Not at all difficult with your guidelines, sir. Now you will say, right, done. Now you are getting the project feeling now. What is that next, sir? Next you are saying, sir, print of backslash t, one for addition, sir. One for addition, sir. Just wait within half an hour. See how is your knowledge is. Just enlighten like anything. Just see. Next it is called two. Two for what? Subtraction. Two for subtraction. 2 for subtraction. Next, I am going to take 3. 3 I am taking. This is known as what? Multiplication. Multiplication, this is called. Next, I am going for what? 4. 4 I am taking. That is known as what? Multiplication. Next, division. Division. It is up to you. Floor division you want, a coefficient, float division you want, or what type of division you want, you can go for it. Next is called a modulus. Modulus. Okay, modulus. So something like this, modulus. Next is called a sixth. I will take it. Sixth I am taking. That is nothing but what? Exponentiation. Exponentiation. N-E-N-T-I-T-I-O-N, exponentiation. If I'm right, exponentiation. Okay. Next, seventh, exit. See, today we are going for exit. Exit. Seventh operation is called what? Exit. Super example. When I run this code, after completion of it, you'll say, sir, extraordinary, will say. Seventh is for what? Exit. Exit means what? After finishing that, you want to close your application, you'll say exit. Exit. Let's save this code once. See, it is there in where ma? Function. Yes, save this. Save this code, please. Save this code. Let's go to that. In this place, I will create case, one small case. In that case, I will save it. I will save it. Menu OP. Yes, dear students, come on to the point of it. Here, this one, I will integrate in my main project. This type of code written by one of the student is written, one of the student, another code will be written by another student, like that all the students will write and they will give to me, they will submit to whom? Team lead, and the team lead will integrate all of yours. Now I am writing one main program. See how I am writing main program. Now I am writing what is my program name? It is called what is my program? Artham AOP demo, SEMA, AOP demo .py. It is a demonstrating that. Which one I want to call? Menu OP. Menu OP is my function name. Menu OP is a function name, Mama. It is present in which module? All of you carefully listen. Sir, after explanation, if you don't dance, my feelings are different. You have to dance like anything. Sir, I am able to develop like anything. Menu OP is a function name present in where? Menu OP module. What should I do now? Come on. I must import. Which one I will follow? From menu OP, import menu OP. No problem. What is this menu OP? Tell me. What is this menu OP? Which is highlighted. What is that menu OP? Module name. Super. What is this menu OP? What is that menu OP? Function name. Super. Let's execute this code. Let's save it. Super. Okay. Now say case is a folder. Yes. Please look at AOP demo. See, beautiful. So arithmetic operations. Now it is showing. 1 for addition, 2 for subtraction, 3 for, 4 for, 5 for, 6 for, exit. Now let's go to once. I will give you some \n ma here, some \n. I will give some \n. If you carefully follow, just check it once, what will happen. So it is going to be something different. So no problem. So I hope you are following me what I'm talking here. Dear students, are you okay? You want with a double equal to, you can see, look nice, I think so. 1 minute you see. Now I'm going for execute. Now you got this type of discussion. Shall we move forward? Shall I move forward? Yes, sir. Now coming to the main program, here I'm going to enter. In the menu, how many operations are there? In the menu, 7 operations are there. I need to ask you, here one message should come. What is that? Enter your choice. Enter your option. Now I will go to it. Come on. CH is equal to choice. Int of. Choice type is what, ma? Choice type 1, 2, 3, 4. Choice type is what? Int value. Int of. Come on here. Input of. Enter your choice. Now I am writing like this. What is the value of choice? Choice can be what? Yeah, dear students, choice can be 1 to 7. 1 to 7 can be there. Sometimes you are entering intentionally negative value also. Sometimes intentionally negative value also. Intentionally you are entering 0 also. Chance is there or not there? Chance is there or not there? Yes, chance is there. That's why chance is there. That's why we need to address all of them. At this point of time, what we are able to do, we can do all of them. Now start. Now start. How many conditions are there with me? How many conditions are there? 1 to 7 is there. Other than 1 to 7 is also there. Which is the most important thing I have to use it here? Which one I have to use? Which concept I have to use? Which concept? Which concept? I want a perfect answer. I want a perfect answer. No, no, I did not get so far any perfect answer. No, if statement, not perfectly, not perfectly. If, ayo, Subhasri, wrong answer, ma. We need to use if statement. If else. If you don't read the notes, it is a problem for you. If you don't read the notes, it is a problem for you. Just think about it. If else. Did I explain it or not? Did I explain or not? First of all, yes, explain. So if you don't remember, what can I do? Sabir is there in the class. Sabir is there. Sabir, are you understanding, ma? Are you following what I am talking? Sabir is there in the class. Read notes carefully. Yes. So come on to the point. Sabir, interact with me, ma. If, come on. CH double equal to 1. CH double equal to 1. If CH is equal to double equal to 1, which operation I have to do it? Which operation I have to do it? See the choice. Which operation I have to do it? Addition. Addition. Right now, addition. I am doing. Not immediately now. After a few minutes, I will do it. After a few minutes. That's why colon. After a few minutes, I will design the code. Up to that, I want to say, I want to tell to my PVM, I am designing, but later I will write the code. Say pass. Later I will return pass. I did not talk about the pass so far. I'm slowly introducing the terminology called pass. What is that pass? What is that pass? Code I will write the code. Until that, just pass. It is nothing but what? When you are going on the way, if your vehicle is giving any type of problem, you are just keeping one what do you call some symbol you are keeping. That means just pass from some other way. Pass from some other way. Are you able to understand me? Are you able to understand me, ma? Just when you are going in the car, if your car is giving some trouble, you are keeping some small symbol there indicating that pass. By taking care and pass. Right. And don't tell that example in interview point of view. Just I want to give you the statement after 1 or 2 days. Next, L if, come on, again fast. CH is equal to 2. What should I say? That also write the code. Next, what should I say? Pass. L if. Only thing I'm feeling little disappointed is you did not remember this if L if. Even though I was explained, you did not remember. That is a little disappointed by myself because my students did not remember. If I explain, if you forget, it is really sad for me. CH is equal to 3. That is called what? Pass. Now, L if CH is equal to what? 4. See what? Pass. L if CH is equal to 5. What is this now? Pass. L if CH double equal to what? 6. Say what? Pass. Next, L if CH double equal to what? 7. CH double equal to 7. What is that 7? Remember, what is the 7? Exit. Exit is an answer here. Exit is an answer here. Now we are going for, right? Coming to the point of it. Here, whenever you use this 7, there is one predefined function is there, ma. What is that? Predefined function. Are you following me? If we use a 7, I want to write One predefined function is there. What is that function name? Exit. It is a predefined function. Now I am asking one beautiful question. Now I am using a beautiful question. Yes. Listen, ma, Omkar, listen, ma, listen carefully, because I am doing case study. That case study you need to listen until the last. All your doubts will be clarified. Right. Now see, exit. Exit is a predefined function. Every predefined function of Python belongs to what? Come on. Every predefined function of Python belongs to what? Module. What is that module? Sys is a module. Slowly we are using the predefined modules also. Sys is a module, predefined module. This module contains which function? Exit function. Once you say exit, na, it will come out of the program completely. Physical termination of the program. Break statement is also there. Exit statement is there. What the break statement will do? Come out of the loop, come out of the looping statement and execute the further statements in the program. Whereas when you say exit, it completely stops the execution. Go out of the program without executing any further statements. Are you understanding my point? Are you understanding my point? Yes. So exit, once you say exit, now I'm writing one statement here. What is that? Thanks for using this app. Thanks for using this app. Thanks for using this app. Now you are going to get sys.exit. Sys.exit. Exit is called what? One function present in which module? Sys module. Is it necessary to import or not necessary? Is it necessary to import or not necessary? Necessary to import or not necessary? Necessary is a predefined function. I already told you, predefined function belongs to that. Import, import. What is that? Sys. Import sys. Execute. Now execute. Now start. Yes. Enter your choice. Enter your choice. I will say, I will say, suppose, now I will say 7, 7, 7 I am saying. Thanks for using this app. Suppose today I did not write pass ma here. I did not write pass. For example, if I don't write pass, definitely PVM is expecting some statements to write here. Some statements to write here. It won't, it is expecting. But I don't write. See, I did not write line number 6. Now you get error. Now you get error. See, line number 7, line number 7. Unexpected, expected, unintended block. It is expecting an intended block. It will expect. It will expect an intended block here. It's a block is expecting. So that block I'm postponing now. That's why I will say pass. Are you understanding the word called pass? Simple, mom. I'm asking a question. I am asking a question. You don't know the answer. What you will say? I asked a question. You don't know the answer. What you will say? Pass. What is that pass? Pass is nothing but making the PVM to execute the further statement without considering the indentation block. Okay. Now, see guys, all of you. See all of you. We are having the choices. We are having the choices. How many? Now you execute. Now you execute. Let me save my code. Now you execute. Now I got the choices. Your choice is either 1 to 7. Okay. Now my choice is called 14. Somebody entered 14. Somebody entered 16. Somebody entered 17. That time I will write, which block I will write? Else. Else, else. Are you following me? Else. Else means what? Happy. Print. Please print your choice of operation. Your choice of operation. Your choice is wrong. Your choice is wrong. Your choice is wrong. Try again. Try again. Try again. Try again. Are you able to follow? Try again. Try again means what? Try again. See now. See how beautiful code we are writing. How beautiful code we are writing. Enter your choice. 22. 22. Do you have the choice? Is a 22 satisfying here? Is a 22 satisfying here? Quickly. No, sir. It is giving you what? See, your choice is wrong. Try again. for trying again. See, when you are saying try again, when you are saying try again, it has to show the same menu once again or not? Yes, ma? You have to show this menu once again or not? To try again, you have to show this menu once again. Yes, that's why. What I am doing you now, beautiful explanation I am giving. Enter your choice. Now, this entire thing I am writing inside of the infinite loop. From where onwards? From fourth line. This menu OP, I am writing in one infinite loop. While now I am writing true. First time you are learning this type of new techniques in the class. While true, this entire thing you are writing under this indentation. Under this indentation, menu, while true, menu OP, everything is written inside of it. Are you following this? Are you following? My dear, this student, Shivananda Power. See, Mr. Shivananda Power, once 7 is there, it is existing. Your choice of operation is 22. Is it satisfying, ma? Please follow me, guys. Shivananda Power. If my choice is 22, where it is coming? Shivananda Power. Think about before doubt, ma. Think before this doubt. 22, if I say, will it execute? Huh? Will it execute? Yes. Shivananda Power. No. No means where it is coming? Else part. Your choice is wrong. So please practice. This indicates that you did not practice this statement. Yeah, please practice it. Without practicing, programming will not come. Please keep in mind. See, everything is written inside of while loop. While loop. You may ask a question, sir, how while loop will be terminated? While loop will be terminated when you are entering the choice is 7. That time you are exiting. Once you exit, it will go out of the loop. It will go out of the loop. Out of that. Now you execute. Now see, enjoy the scenario. Enjoy. Enter that. Now what is your choice? Enter your choice. What is the choice? 34. Okay. Srusti, 34. See, your choice is wrong. Try again. See, once again, this is shown. Beautiful. Once again, this. Right. Come on, next. Enter your choice. I will say my 0, 0, 0. 0 choice is not there. 0. Your choice is wrong. Try again. Choice is wrong. You say some choice is called 8. 8 you say. 8 you say. 8. It is going to come out of it. Your choice is wrong. Try again. I will say 7. I say 7. 7. 7 means come out of it. Happily. Thanks for using this app. It is ending the application. Now I will concentrate on addition, subtraction, multiplication. Now you see. Now enter your choice. 1 I am saying 1. 1, 1. When I say 1, where it is going? Where it is going? 1. You said what? Pass is executing. Pass means what? It is nothing but I am asking a question. No answer is coming. No output will come here. No output is coming because choice 1, no output. But it is showing the another operation to do it. So now I need to go for addition, subtraction, multiplication, division operation. I need to go for writing the code. Shall we enter into writing the code for addition, subtraction, multiplication and all? Yes, good. Let's start all of you. Now I'm going for another module. Another module I'm going for. Super example. Now I'm going for AOP calculation dot py treated as a module. Treated as a module. Super. Treated as a module. Yes. Now start. Now start. What is that? Now I'm taking, dear students. See, now I will take def, add OP, add OP, add OP. Yes, colon pass. Just designed the function. Def sub OP, pass. Just designing. Next, def mul OP, pass. Next, def div OP, pass. Next, def what is that? Mod OP, mod OP, pass. Next, def expo OP, expo op pass. Now, suppose now if I want to do addition operation, how many values required? Come on, ma, interact with me. If I want to do addition operation, how many values required? 2 values. If I want to do subtraction OP, how many values required? 2 values. 2 values, 2 values, 2 values, 2 values. So what should I do? Rather than reading 2 values every time in this place, I will read 2 values in one function. Actually, I need to write, okay, I will write it and I show you so that you can understand. A is equal to, now see, look at all of you, float of, input of, look at all of you, enter first value, enter first value. Okay, look at all of you, enter first value, because this beauty you need to catch from my class. B is equal to float of, enter second value. Okay, happy, enter second value. Look at that, try to say. Now I will say what? Print of, directly I'm writing sum of, I'm writing sum of, and is equal to dot format of a comma b comma a plus b. Am I correct? Am I correct? A comma b comma a plus b, correct? Yes, sir. Correct, sir. Now, similarly, remove the pass and then write what statement here. Now, see, carefully watch it. Here, what I am doing, ma, enter a first value. Then again, what I do? A subtraction of, sub off, right? Sub off. Again, I need to do what? A minus b, I need to do it. And multiplication also. Come on, all of you must be careful. Pass. I need to do what? Again, I need to accept. Multiplication of mul of a star b, I need to do it. A star b. Here I need to write a star b. Now you see division operation also I will do it. Division operation also. See that division operation also. A and B. Now here I will write div of slash, I will write it slash. Now see modulus operation I am doing. Modulus operation. Now I will say modulus of mod of a percentage. Next exponentiation I will do it. So remove this pass. Exponentiation of I will write it. What is that? Exponentiation. Exponentiation like this I will write it. To the power of I will say a comma b, a star b. Are you okay, dear students? All of you are ensuring that this is happy. But as a qualitative programmer, you try to understand. See, is it not 5 and 6 repeated? Is it not 5, 9 and 10 repeated? Same code repeated again and again or not? Yes. So would you like to write the same code again and again? What is our unstructured programming says? Writing the same code again and again. Those statements, I will write it into one function. Can I write it in one function? Yes, sir. Now see what I will do. Just remove, delete it. Again you delete it. Delete. All the places you delete. Right. See how much length of the code is reduced. Now here, see what I am doing. Look at ma, don't go by yourself. All the things are wrong. Look at def read values. Why you are going your own direction? Don't use your own addition. Follow me. Global variable. First of all, when global variables are required, I am not going to take the same values. Global variables is for what purpose? Common values. But here I want separate values. First listen, right? Now see that A, B, enter first value. For what? Enter first value for what? Addition, subtraction, for what? I want that also. I will come. It is taking operation, OPT. OPT. OPT means operation. Operation. What is your operation? OP. There I will say enter first value for. See what I am doing. Excellent code. Dot format of OP. OP. Super example. Extraordinary this is. Enter first value for. Always follow KVR, sir. Otherwise problem will come. Right? Dot format of. Here dot I need to write mark. Dot format of OP. What is that OP? Wait for 2 minutes. OP this is. Yeah. So this OP, read values. Now I will return the two values. Return A comma B. Read values. Now come on here. Under the read, under add operation, you call A comma B is equal to read values. Can I say read values? And I am saying addition. What is addition? What is an addition? What is an addition, guys? Operation name. Because I am inside of what function? Add OP. I am inside of add OP function. Addition. Where it is going? Read values function. Go to this place. Read values. OP is a variable. Contains this. What is the message? Enter first value for. What is coming? What is coming? Enter first value for addition. Enter second value for addition. Read the two values. Return those two values. Holding in this. Can I return more than one value? Can I return more than one value in our Python? Yes, sir. How beautiful example this is. Beautiful example. Super. See, I'm calling the function. Again you call. Come on here. Here I will write. What is that? What is our operation? Subtraction. Yes. AB. Not necessary to take AB. You take K comma V. Take my name. I am taking K comma V. You say what there? K comma V. K minus V. Happy. You take any formal parameter. K comma V. Are you following me? Are you okay with this? Defining one time, calling each and every time. Reusing the same program. Yeah, how beautiful it is. Come on. A comma B is equal to read values. What is that now? Multiplication. I am taking multiplication. A comma B, A star B. What a beautiful example. X comma Y is equal to read values of, what is this now? Division. Yes, division. X comma Y, X slash Y. Modulus operation. Okay, no problem. Take this XY, not an issue at all. Modulus. Right? Some name. Modulus. Right? Modulus. Whatever it is. So don't see spelling mistakes and all at this stage. X comma Y, X percentage Y. Yes. Next, say A comma B you want to take, take it A comma B, no problem. Take in your own variables, you take it. What is this now? Exponentiation. Exponentiation. Are you okay? To the power of A comma B, A star B. Dear students, are you okay? Am I reducing the code previously or not? This code I wrote every time, but it is written only one time. I hope you are getting my point. Are you getting my point here, guys? Yes. Now go for, what is this? AOP cal is my module name. See how many functions are there. So many functions are there. I want to use these functions. Yes, save it. Under our case, you save it. See, case AOP cal, it was saved under that. Let's move. Where ma extra bracket, where it is there? Where is an extra bracket ma? Which line? Upper means where? Which line? Line numbers are there clearly with you. A comma B na. One bracket, two brackets format. Line number 3. Extra bracket is there. Okay. So carefully, let me execute. Okay. Let me execute. Go to that. Menu OP is ready. AOP is ready. Now execute. Yeah. Come on. Cancel this and now execute. So answering now. First one. What is that now? Enter your choice. In this, I hope in this case, what I said, pass is there. Now come on to the point. Now I need to call. Shall I call? What should I call here? What should I call? Now I'm removing pass now. 0 na. Ashish, 0 na. What should I call? Where are you guys? I need to call add OP. I think unnecessarily I introduced this case, I think so. Are you following me what I am trying to say? Add OP, ADD OP, ADD OP. I hope I unnecessarily I introduced this example, I think so. ADD OP, you call it. You call it, I am calling. ADD OP, where it is there? From, what is my example? AOP call, import star. Actually, star is not recommended. Since I am using all the functions, I use AOP cal, import star. I am calling this add OP. Next, I will call what? Sub OP. Next, to call what? Next, what is this? MUL OP. Next is called what? DIV OP. Next, I will go for what? Modulus OP, mod OP. Next is called what? Yes, Expo OP. Yes, the 7th is called what? Exit. Else, other than these choices are entering, choice is wrong, try again. Nothing is there in this. Very, very easy. Enter your choice. One. See that beautiful point. Once you say choice is equal to 1, where it is coming? Your choice is equal to 1. ADD OP of which module? AOP call. It will go to AOP call. ADD OP is calling what? Read values function. That's what it is asking. Enter the first value for addition. A value. Enter the first value for addition. 10. Enter the second value for addition. See that word coming. 2. It is called 2. Now it is going to give you the result. Now somebody is saying extra bracket, that bracket, this bracket. Where is an extra bracket? For this opening, this closing. Okay. For this opening and this closing. And for the last one, last closing. This is all coming under what? Because of lack of practice. Those who are not practicing, we will not become perfect. 100% you have to practice. Then only you will come up like anything. If without practicing, if you come, you will be getting problems. All right. So coming to that, 10 and 2, sum of 10 and 2 is equal to 12.0. 10.0. Next enter, next 2 you enter 2. So say something like 100 and say something like 12.34. 12.34. Now you are getting sub of 100 and then 12.34 is 87.66. 87.66. Next, enter your choice. Enter your choice. 3. Enter the, see that word? Multiplication. Previously you see subtraction. Whichever operation you are doing, I am getting that. Excellent. Yes, ma. Jayashurya. Thank you. Now I will say 3.4 and 2.3. 2.3.4. See that multiplication of 3.4 and 2.3 is equal to 7.8111, etc. Coming to the point of it. Who is this? One Caplicissa. Caplicis is what? One Caplicissa. Caplicis means What is caplicis? Like this. Harish. Caplicis means capital Sissa. Huh? What we are asking, I don't know. CC is called module name, small only. Small only. This is called small only. Sys.exit. Sys.exit. Please take care. Read the notes. Come on to the point. Next, multiplication is over. Multiplication is over. Next is called what? 4. This is called a multiplication. 4. Enter the value. So 10 and then 3 you enter. So you got a division. Float coefficient 3.33335. 3.3335. Next 5. 5 you enter. 5. 5, 5. Now enter the first value 10 and then 3. Modulus is called 1. 1. Remainder is called 1. Next exponent I will go for it. 6. 6. 10 you 12 you say. 12 to the power of 4. 12 to the power of 4 or 12 to the power of 3. 12 into 12. 12 into 12 into 12 into 12. 4 times. 12 into 12 into 4 times. 2076. If you want to get any small number, enter the number 2 to the power of 3. 2 to the power of 3 is 8.0. Now tell me your choice. If anybody is interested, you can test your choice. Come on, quickly. 7, no. 7, no. Right. Come on, fast. 5. 5, 5. 5 you want. Okay. Enter the choice for modulus. Yeah, numbers please. Numbers please. 65. Okay, 65. And then next is called what? 65 and 5. Okay, 65 and 5. Remainder is 0. 65, 5. Remainder is 0. Perfect. Now, minus 5. Okay, minus 5. Enter your choice. Minus 5. What is an answer? What is an answer? What is an answer? What is an answer? Minus 5. Not minus 5. Minus 5. It is not satisfying. Not satisfying at all. Else bracket. Your choice of operation is wrong. Look at your choice of operation is wrong. Not matching with this. Your choice of operation is wrong. See that your choice of operation is wrong. Try again. Try again. Try again. Anybody else? Right. 4. Okay, 4. Division. Yes. 10,000. Okay, 10,000. Okay, 10,000. 10,000. Okay. 10. Right. 60. You want 60? Yeah, 60. So you got the answer like this. You got the answer like this. Yeah, choice is 5 and value. Okay, choice is 5 and then value is called 5 and then value is called 0. 5 by 0 is called what? 5 by 0 is called what? What is coming? What is coming? You see that. It is called a 0 division error. I can handle it with exceptions, ma. Yes. Who is that? Govinda. You are my Java student. No. Java, he is a Java student. In Java, Govinda, you are Java student. What is an exception there? Arithmetic exception, not Stravia. 0 division error. I will explain in the exception handling this type of thing. Okay, right. Even if you want, I can do that example also here itself. Not an issue at all. Suppose if anybody enter that kind of thing, even with exceptions, what I'm going to teach in the further, I can show you now itself. Just watch it. If you want, try. Just for a minute more. Just for a minute, watch it. Here, Govinda, you see, except 0 division error. Just don't think about it. Look at ma. 0 division error. 0 division error. Actually, I did not explain. We will explain. In next topic is that only. Print don't enter 0 for denominator. Don't enter 0 for denominator. Super. Yes. Start. Yes. Number 4. 10 and then 0. Excellent. Don't enter 0 for denominator. Super. Govinda. Don't enter 0 for denominator. Exceptions, we are branded for it. Branded for it. Govinda, are you getting? Good. Good. Now, in the further, I am going to tell you, enter your choice. Here I am saying 8, 9, etc. Next, choice is caviar. Choice is caviar. Caviar is not a choice. Numbers are choice. Whenever I enter, you are getting an exception. That time, what I am going to tell you, value error. It is an exception. I will tell you the exception handling. When I next concept is that only. After the packages, exception handling is our topic. Are you understanding how I am going to improve your knowledge? Are you understanding how I am going to improve your knowledge? Yes. So depends on the time to time we are entering into the subject. Depends on the time to time we are at this point of time. I am not writing try ma because you don't know what is try na. You don't know what is try and all these things na. That's why I'm not writing. Just be happy with this example, whatever it is done. Next, the same thing will be coming across in our programming also. Yes, ma. Sonali, good. So, are we able to understand today's example? Are you able to understand modules concept? Are you understanding this modules concept? Right. Perfect, huh? Perfect, huh? Right. Now one student is asking, sir, is it mandatory to write exit? See, ma, once you watch the movie, is it supposed to open the doors or not, to exit the people or not? Huh? The person who is asking, hey, sir, is it mandatory to write exit? Once the movie is over, will they open the doors to come out of the people out of it or not, to exit the movie or not? Yes, like that. Any type of application you develop it in real time, compulsory there is an exit operation. Exit operation means close that application. Is it compulsory will be there or not? Compulsory exit button will be there or not? Cross button, exit button, all those things. Like that, I am taking exit operation, which is a compulsory recommended for beautiful programming. Right. Right. So you need to take exit button because 24 hours we cannot execute na. Like ATM application. Yes, ma. Disha. Correct. Like ATM application. Do you want to continue or exit? Do you want to continue or cancel? Like that, I want to go for it. So 24 hours we cannot sit in front of the system to execute our program. So we will cancel it. Okay. Right. Done. So perfect. With this, modules concept is done. Tomorrow, I will introduce the packages concept. Right. Homework, you write it. All of you open your notebook. All of you open your notebook, ma. Right. Open. Write a Python program. Open your notebook. Write a Python program. Write a Python program which will implement the following operations, with the modules. 1, area of a rectangle. Second, area of circle. 3, area of square. And 4th, exit. Enough. Menu. It is called menu. Are you understanding? Area of rectangle, area of circle, area of square. Are you understanding, ma? Can you do by yourself? Yes, you can. Super. So try to do that example. Ma, and see the colorful. Next, tomorrow, what is our topic name? Packages. Tomorrow, our extension to this only. Extension to modules only. Packages will come. Don't miss the concept tomorrow. Right? Good. Thank you. Good. Omkar, what is your doubt, ma? Yes. Put your doubt across. What is your doubt? Come on. Can we have more than 2 values then? Yeah, go for list. Go for list. Yes, ma. List you can go for it. How to read the values in the list I told you. How to read the values in the list I told you. Yes, I told you how to read the values or not. We can apply it, no problem. Happy. Already discussed that part. We can use it. Right. Thank you. Good day. Don't miss tomorrow class. Very, very, very important class. Right. Coming to the part of it. So, yes, ma. Super. Right. Right, ma. Good. Do that example. All of you practice this example. Okay. After this class only, you try to practice immediately.